Numerical taxonomy is a one type of current concept taxonomy based on the phenotypic numerical characters. The plants are classified into species, genus, and families. Numerical taxonomy may be defined as numerical evolution of apparent mean phenotypic similarity among the groups of organisms of the same rank and ordering them into higher ranking taxa. It first invented by Haywood in 1967. It is a method of organization of the data in numerical taxonomy. The numerical taxonomy completely based on the phenotypic relations. We clearly identified external phenotypic relations. Based on the external phenotypic relations, the plants are classified into species, genus, and families. Here it is the numerical taxonomy, steps in numerical taxonomy. They are operational taxonomic unit. Operational taxonomic unit is also called OTU, operational taxonomic unit. The basic unit in numerical taxonomy is known as operational taxonomic unit. It can be individual, species, genus, family, order, or class. The operational unit taxonomy following unit characters. The unit characters means the characters employed in numerical taxonomy are known as unit characters. The unit character is that one which cannot be subdivided logically. There are two types of unit characters here. The first one is binary characters. Binary characters means binary, two state characters. Two states characters are identified in the plants. For example, presence or absence of spines. Presence or absence of spines. The next one is multi-state characters. Multi-state characters means more than two states of characters identified on the plants. For example, length of leaf of lamina, length of leaf lamina. For example, 1 centimeter of lamina, 2 centimeter of leaf lamina, 3 centimeters of leaf lamina, and etc. Multi-state characters can be converted into binary characters. Multi-state characters can be converted into binary characters. The multi-state characters may be qualitative characters such as color of the flower. They belongs to red, blue, yellow, and violet. And also quantitative characters. Quantitative characters means the quantitative characters such as length of leaf, which could be 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. These are the multi-state characters under qualitative and quantitative characters. The next one, estimation of similarities. Estimation of similarities. The extent of similarity between pairs of OTU. OTU means operational taxonomic unit is known as estimation of similarity. It is based on comparison of two sets of characters. Two sets of characters. They are explained by S is equal to NS by NS plus ND. Estimation of similarities are explained with S means similarities, NS by NS plus ND. S is equal to similarity coefficient, NS is equal to number of similarities between OTUs. OTUs means operational taxonomic units, and ND is equal to number of dissimilarities. Number of dissimilarities between OTUs, operational taxonomic units. So it is the estimation of similarity under numerical taxonomy. S is equal to similarity coefficient, NS is equal to number of similarities between OTUs. OTUs means operational taxonomic unit, and ND is equal to number of dissimilarities between operational taxonomic units. And the next one is cluster analysis. Different groups are grouped together on the basis of degrees of similarity. The group of OTU, operational taxonomic units, are called cluster. Operational taxonomic units are called cluster. The cluster is also called dendrogram. Cluster is also called dendrogram due to their tree-like appearance. Due to their tree-like appearance in the cluster areas. The pairs are successively joined by the average similarity. The average similarities are joined in a cluster or in a dendrogram. And the next point is limitations to numerical taxonomy. On the basis of phenotypic similarity, a phylogenetic relationship may be assured. The numerical taxonomy based on external characters, it clearly explained with the classification of number of differences and number of similarities between two plants. These are the numerical taxonomy belongs to advanced classification taxonomy.